Hey there guys, today we'll be painting Kelainen the Wizard from Reaper miniatures to the tabletop level standard. The first thing we want to do is take a scalpel or other sharp blade and gently trim the casting line off the model. Make sure you take care during this step and only cut away from yourself. I've base coated the model with Highland moss using my airbrush, but you could do this by hand if you like. Use earth brown to base coat any parts of the model that are leather or wood. This includes his staff, his hat, his belts, etc. Use Crusader Silver to paint his sword hilt, his shoulder armour and his mysterious flask. Coat his base in a 50-50 mix of earth brown and gargoyle grey. Base coat his beard, hair and the smoke rising from his bottle in gargoyle grey. Paint his hands and face with Caucasian flesh. Now we'll move on to the washes. Water down some earth brown until it has a milk-like consistency and coat the entire model with this. Leave him on his back while he dries so it doesn't all pool at his base. Layer up his robes with a mix of Highland moss and pale lichen, leaving the wash and some of the base coat showing in the recesses. Paint a thin highlight line around the edges of all his brown areas with a mix of earth brown and leather brown. Highlight the strands of his beard and hair with gargoyle grey. Finally, paint his nose and cheekbones and his individual fingers with maiden flesh. And with that, the model is done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, check out our other videos, and we will see you soon.